Writing a dissertation is something every student finds daunting. It is a kind of academic project, unlike anything else a student has ever done. It signals a student's transition from student to scholar. This guide will provide strategies for good dissertation writing. A dissertation is an extended piece of academic writing on a specific topic that is based on original research. It is also known as a thesis. It is usually submitted as a part of a master's or PhD degree. Formatting is an important part of dissertation writing no matter how great your content or research is. If you don't format it perfectly, your effort will all go in vain. A language of dissertation, your dissertation should be in English. If it's not your native language, ask an expert to proofread. A length of dissertation, its length should be between 100 to 300 pages. All pages should be divided into appropriate sections. O-page and text requirements, at least 1-inch margin on all sides, font size 10 to 12, and double-spaced. O tables and figures, all tables and figures added should be numbered with a clear title. The main problems encountered during dissertation writing are: topic selection is quite difficult and time-consuming, as the student has to consider factors like data availability, research time, data compilation and analysis. Formatting and documentation can be quite tiring. Students face difficulty in reviewing, following, and implementing each rule. Time management is the biggest issue of all, as balancing time to complete the task before the deadline is not everyone's cup of tea. Sometimes a student feels quite lost thinking about where to start. So, to overcome this issue, do the following. Think about the aim of your research and its objectives. Write an introduction chapter first so you can get a brief idea of your research. Start writing a literature review and research methodology. A dissertation structure is the arrangement of the research content. It must include the following: title page, acknowledgement, abstract, table of contents, glossary, introduction, methodology, results/findings. Start thinking about the research topic as early as possible so that you have enough time to work. Create clear research objectives, and then choose appropriate methods that will help you achieve your goals. Don't worry if the findings are not according to your expectations. Unexpected results are valuable too. Think and plan ahead of time to meet the deadline. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.